Hey everyone, since you're home today, we got a couple things that we want you to do, and one of them is how to remove backgrounds using Photopea and removebg in case you want to create a custom icon for your app that you're developing today. So the first one, which we've used both of these before, is removebg. BG stands for background. This is going to be the easiest way for you to take any picture and get a background out of it so that it doesn't show the white box or extra stuff behind your screen. So first we go to Removebg, then hit Upload Image. I'm going to find a picture somewhere. Let's try this one. So this one I needed a student signature for something in the yearbook. So I bring it in here, and you can see that it has all these boxes behind it. That means that it's clear and it doesn't have the white background anymore. Okay, so when that goes in, I hit Download, and it comes down here into my Downloads folder, and you can see that it has -removebg in the name. That's going to be important for you to make sure you grab that one instead of the original. I'm going to do that one more time with a picture that has a busier background. Not really sure what's in some of these, but let's try, this one's the dance team. So I bring this one in, and you'll see the original had the whole Homestead gym behind it and then had our dancers in the front. When we did the remove background, it kind of cut them out a little bit, kind of lost a little too much there. If this happens with yours, you can hit the edit button, choose to erase or restore some of it. So I'm going to get out this extra head here because that's just weird. And then probably would just take out all these other people because there's no way to get that into a clean cut. So I'd have just my one person, hit my download button. Again, it comes here into my downloads folder, and I know it's the right one because in the file name it says removebg in it. Now, if that doesn't work for you because your background's too similar to what you need to keep, or if you want to create your own custom image, remember we used Photopea last year. Photopea is the online Photoshop alternative where you can click a new project. I always turn mine to inches because nobody thinks in terms of pixels. And I always go bigger than what I actually want my final to be because I can make things smaller without them getting blurry. I can't make them bigger. So let's say I'm going to do an air hockey game. That's what some of the dream kids are doing. I'm going to go change my background to transparent and then create it. I'm going to go to Google, find an image of a hockey puck. That one's great. So save image as, put it on my desktop. Go back to Photopea, say File, Open and Place. There it is. It brings it in. I'm going to stretch it to make it bigger. That looks about right. Your magic wand is up here. It's usually the third one down. It could have any of these three icons because it all comes from the same pop-out. On my magic wand, it selects everything of the same color, and you'll get this error that says it must be rasterized. So remember, you have to right-click on it to rasterize, then you can hit your delete again. It takes out the background. File, export as, always a PNG. If you save as any of these other types, you'll get a white background back again, which kind of defeats your purpose. Save that. And both of those, whether you use Removebg or Photopea, can be then uploaded into your app inventor. Okay, so your job today, make sure you use some of that. No apps will be graded well if they have the white background in them. Let us know if you have any questions.